Welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi Gamel, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, hence running in circles, because any goal that we have requires small steps, one step in front of the other, in order to accomplish our goals. And that's what running in circles is all about. 1/4 mile at a time. But here's the thing. A break can fix you. Sometimes taking a break from our goals can fix us, can give us energy, can give us time to pause, reflect, and maybe reevaluate. I know last week I was practicing resting, and it was pretty amazing. I'm going to continue doing that this week, resting. Because what I'm finding is a break can fix you. And just giving myself time and space to rest without consuming, without taking information in, is giving me more time and space to be creative, which is really cool. So this past Saturday was my Gold Star Day, hence my break. It's a full-on spa day that I do for myself at home. It's a concept that I teach in my Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine course, which the link is in my bio. And it's basically a course about elevating your self-care routine so that you don't get overwhelmed and so that you don't miss anything and so that you don't give up. And it's really an exercise in self-care and self-nurturing, and that requires self-control. And I highly recommend it. The thing that I'm finding the most beautiful about my Gold Star Day is how much my husband honors it. He really, as soon as I declare it, he's like, and he gives me all kinds of space, turns on the spa music, and he honors it just as much as I do, which is really beautiful. Because isn't it true that when we value ourselves, when we love ourselves, it teaches other people how to value and love us. So it's so true, and I highly recommend it. And in that vein, I can attest to the fact that a break can fix you. A break as in taking a break, as in resting, that can fix you. And so often our weekends are full and busy, and we have lots of obligations and things we need to do and things we want to do, but we also have to take a break. We also have to rest. And so that's what I did this weekend, and it was fantastic. I got all the things done, head to toe. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you to take a break and fix yourself. It's highly, highly worth it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon.